Dairy is one of the most important industries in South Gippsland, a region in Australia's southeastern state of Victoria. Local business leaders and officials say China remains the biggest importer of dairy produce from Australia, and the development of the country's companies in the Chinese market is of great significance.
Dairy production and agricultural production, it's the most significant product that's developed and exported from South Gippsland. We export, in terms of agricultural products, about 70% of what is grown and developed within South Gippsland is exported out of the region.
Viplus Dairy boasts a history of over 130 years. It has participated in every one of the China International Import Expo, a trade fair held annually in Shanghai, China since 2018.
China is our largest single market and our most important market for our business. So China makes up over 80% of our business. So CIE is a very important part of our business interactions with China, and a very important part of our trade with China. So to meet our current customers, but also to find out new trends and new business that may be going on.
The Viplus CEO said the company plans to continue to attend the CIE this year to explore more opportunities in the Chinese market. He also said while all markets around the world are going through a bit of uncertainty, the China base is still strong and the consumer market is still healthy.
I think the China base is still strong. I think the consumer market is still healthy. Yeah, we're very positive about the future for Viplus in China and in China generally.